This Center, Realtors property video is presented by Cara Crocker. Beautiful 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath home on a corner lot. Open concept floor plan with high ceilings, wood floors, and stone fireplace. Eat-in kitchen has gorgeous granite countertops, island, and stainless steel appliances. The large master suite has vaulted ceilings, double sinks, and walk-in closet. For more information, review the details below or contact Cara Crocker at 325-695-8000.